Hi, we are Red Chillies VFX. I'm Arjun.
Hi, I'm Ketan.
Hi, I am Harry.
The whole process of doing the visual effects for this film started as early as October 2006.
At that time, the main thing was for us was retro song. In that, she wanted to use old stars of 70s, romancing Deepika.
Whatever has been attempted is normally black and white or a portrait scene where the camera is locked, which is kind of very easy to execute.
The first job was to select the right footage from all the films of 70s. That had to be in good shape, which could be used today and not look too grainy or scratched.
They just got hold of 3 to 4 negatives like Amrapali, Jai Vijay, and Sacha Jhootha.
We went through a lot of restoration process to get the quality of the negative at par with the one which was shot, but it always cannot match that quality of today.
The new footage which we were doing was to match with the old footage. That was very difficult. So we had to do some tests. Farah liked it and she agreed to give us 4 to 5 days and 4 to 5 cans for each sequence.
We also looked at a lot of the actors' movements and we had to choose something which would be suitable for the song as well as challenging enough for us.
Other than retro, there was a sequence like Premiere where Farah needed around 5,000 people and we only got 200 people. So we had to shoot them differently on different positions and multiply them.
For the fire sequences where Shantipriya dies, we had to look at safety first for the actors. So there was obviously a big requirement for generating fire or compositing fire. There was several shots which required quite a lot of 3D. For example, the shot where there's a blast and the actor gets flung out of the window, that was a 3D set, also mixed with miniatures with 3D foliage, etc.
In this window blast shot, what initially we decided we are going to make it miniature and shoot separate debris and separate fire. We made a digital model and shot separate fire and debris and recreated everything. In this we have used digital trees and the miniature model which was built by our art director Sabu sir. When you see final result, nobody will say it looks fake. It was great working with Shah Rukh because he takes his personal interest in VFX. Like you take superhero shots where he knew exactly what he wanted. Then we made some previous, which is 3D moving storyboard. He liked it and we could shoot it very fast after that because everybody was clear, what to be shot. Other sequences which we did was snow globe shots where we digitally created snow. We took some plates, reference plates for depth of fields.
One of the fun sequences was Akshay Kumar's nomination. That was great fun and it was a very nice working with Akshay because his timing was perfect. Amongst the 3D shots was, again invisible to the audience, where we worked on was the chandelier falling. The chandelier actually fell very slowly and we had to composite a lot of debris and sparks for it. We would like to thank from the bottom of our hearts several people in the cast and the crew, the main being Farah, Shahrukh and Manikandan sir. They helped us a lot in bearing up with the tedium of visual effects for the film, and they gave us a wonderful opportunity to try out new things. We would also like, on behalf of all of us, thank the crew for sticking with us through all the hard times and making this film a great success.
Ready to go!